Hi, we're here at Canada Mats. Now let's dive into a few common questions about the Marley Mat Dance Floors. First off, how do you cut the Marley Mats? First, measure and mark your cut on the line. Use a sharp utility edge and a straight edge to ensure a clean cut. Place the straight edge along the mark and carefully score the mat with the knife. Repeat until the cut is complete. Always measure twice to avoid mistakes and ensure the best fit for your space. Secondly, how do you install the Marley Mats over hardwood? The installation process is simple. Start by cleaning the hardwood surface thoroughly to remove dust and debris. Lay the Marley Mat in position, then use Roscoe floor tape to secure the edges. Press down firmly to ensure the tape sticks well. The result is a smooth, professional surface that is easy to remove and set up when needed. Third, how to clean your Marley Mats. To clean your Marley Mat dance floor, start by sweeping it with a soft bristled broom to remove dust and debris. For deeper cleaning, use an all-purpose floor cleaner. Avoid abrasive pods or cleaners with ammonia as they can damage the surface. Regular cleaning will keep your dance floor in top condition. Number 4, the best product for easy installation. The Roscoe floor tape is essential for installing your Marley Mat dance floor. The Roscoe floor tape helps keep your Marley Mat secure, ensuring zero slips and safety for your practice. This product will help enhance performance and longevity. Number 5, how much are the Marley Mat dance floors? Marley Mats typically range in price depending on size. Larger or custom sizes will cost more. Investing in a high-quality Marley Mat ensures durability and performance for your next practice. Number 6, what is the Marley Mat dance floor made of? A Marley dance floor is made out of homogeneous PVC. This material offers a smooth, durable surface with a balance of grip and slip, suitable for various dance styles. It provides the necessary support and resilience to handle intense dance routines while ensuring safety and performance. Number 7, do I want a permanent or portable dance studio flooring? Portable Marley Mats are used for home use and easy to set up and remove. Permanent flooring suits dedicated studios where the flooring stays in place. Consider your space, usage, and convenience when making your choice. Number 8, how do you store your Marley Mats? Store Marley dance floors by rolling them up and keeping them in their original box if possible. Avoid placing heavy objects on the rolled mat to avoid warping, such as waves or damage. And that's it. If you have any more questions or concerns, you'll be sure to find them on our website, canadamats.ca.